Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com have another Lk-500. Gentleman told me that high input SPR on 20 meters, so had a bad trimmer cap. I had a parts board, so I removed one off the parts board, changed that, that's good. He had someone had replaced the cord, and they were not able to utilize the factory strain relief, so he had 3 conductors loose inside this, and they had a lot of damage done to the insulation. So I went ahead and added a new strain relief, as you can see here. Resoldered everything. He had the ground soldered with electrical tape on it, and it was coming off, could have shorted out across one of the 240 connections in there. Cleaned the output relay. Went ahead and checked all the inputs for every band, checked it for full output, has a stock set of iMac tubes, good output. So I ended up putting a series glitch resistor in over here, snapped at the connection was weak at the terminal strip, so it snapped off. I ended up going through the hole, so that's good, and I attached the plate choke base wire to the lead of the series glitch resistor, added that insulator, plenty of clearance. I ended up having to change the vernier drive. I don't know where the other one's right here. It was slipping. It wasn't turning, as you can see. So that was a pain in the butt. It was down there. So took this capacitor out to get at it. Slid that one back. Plates look good. The phenolic shaft separated from the metal shaft on this is the plate tune side. So I put some super glue on it, and now it's good. It pushed in, and it was tight to begin with, but I put a little super glue, and now it's good, like I said. So this thing is set. Clean this rotary switch. Clean the rotary switch for the meter. And she's good. So that's about it. Please like the video. I really appreciate it. If anyone has an amplifier or a ham amp they want repaired, I work on a whole bunch. Mostly the Heath kits, Emeritrons, Amp Supply, Drakes, and lots of Kenwood TL922s. There's another SP220. There's an AL80B. I have more upstairs, NFL 2100 and some other amplifiers. So, thanks again for watching. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119.